This is the installed application module. Here you can restrict user from installing specific software. Like simply enter the software name like VMware and I add from here. If a user tries to install the application VMware, the installation will be blocked. You can also select the username here and you will get the list of software software of installed in user computers. Every software which is installed on a user computer, they you can see here, and also you can see with the GUID versions, and you can take install action from here, and within around 2 or 5 minute poll interval. After poll interval, software will be deleted from the user computer and removed from the here whenever you try to uninstall the software.